Hi everyone. So today I am going to explain you how to manage time in NEET exam, because we have 3 hours 20 minutes of time and we need to answer 180 questions out of 200 questions. So how to manage time? See, time is very important in the exam. Every second matters a lot. So normally we have habit of spending first 1 hour biology, then chemistry, at last physics. Most of the students I am seeing this kind of allotment of time, which is not at all correct. So if you go like this, you cannot get the mark better than your potential level. So if you want to get the scores like minimum 10-15 marks better than your potential level, say for example your potential is up to 600, so your mark should go up to 620 at least. And how to give best of your potential அப்படின்னா, see, the first thing is uh, you divide the entire exam time into 3 parts: 1 plus 1 plus 1. You forget about the 20 minutes, delete that 20 minutes from your mind. So in the 3 hours, so first 1 hour you allocate for physics and chemistry. First 1 hour you dedicate your time of first 1 hour, one third of your exam time, approximately I am saying. If not 1 hour, at least 50 minutes, or else 110 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes, 70 minutes, like from 50 minutes to 70 minutes at your convenience. You allocate your time for physics and chemistry. So I hope you can answer minimum of 150 to 60 questions in that, because select automatically as your time is fixed for first 1 hour. You will be answering easy questions only, the questions which you can answer like very limited working or without working, like formulas, inorganic chemistry and physics. Some question, nearly 50% of the questions are like formulas only they are asking, not like numerical substitution, solving everything, not like that. Direct questions will be given. So you aim those questions first. That will be something around 50 to 60 you can answer in the first one third of your exam time. Then second one third of the exam time you dedicate your biology. You dedicate the time for your biology, so that by the end of 2 hours I think you will be able to answer biology lo 90 questions and physics chemistry pathina, that will be something around 60 to 70. 90 plus 60, around 150 questions, or at least lower end 140 questions you might have completed within 2 hours. Then last 1 hour go back to physics and chemistry, solve the remaining questions. You can concentrate very, so that your energy will be distributed uniformly during the 3 hours of exam. And one more thing, if the question is lengthy questions like 10 lines or 7 lines, no such questions generally are coming in the NEET exam. In case, leave that questions. The questions which are less than 4 lines or 5 lines, try to answer in the beginning 1 hour. So because all of you are going to start your GP exams, and now from now if you start practicing like this, after 10-20 exams you'll get settled in your pattern. First point. And second point is most important point. I am seeing many of the students, simultaneous bubbling you should develop. Most of the students are bubbling at the end of the exam, so that is not good practice at all. So which keeps always a kind of unwanted pressure in your mind. So to save your time, if you save 10 seconds, that is a great amount of time for you to secure good scores. So distribute your energy equally in the 3 years of time, and plan accordingly. Strategies are most important to secure high scores. So it is not like board exams. Board exams na you'll have sufficient time. Here, every second, every minute matters, and that too, you have your concentration should be very high. So, beginning of the exam, why I'm suggesting beginning physics, chemistry, aprina, beginning lo our mind efficiency will be very high. And biology, I hope every one of you are most confident, and especially biology, prepare purely NCRT line to line. So you can get easily what 320 like that. 320, 330 is easy to get scores in biology. Beyond that is little difficult. So that time you utilize for physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry give first 1 hour time, approximately 1 hour. So keep all these points in mind. Improve yourself. All the best.